V Govindan, also known as Govindan Master, became the secretary of the Communist Party of India Kerala state. He replaced the ailing Kodiyeri Balakrishnan and get elevated to the highest office within the party at the state level.He is at present member of party Central Committee of CPI and a prominent political leader from Kerala. He is the former chief editor of Malayalam newspaper Deshabhimani. He is also an accomplished author with more than 3 books to his credit. He is currently serving as Minister for Local Self-Governments, Panchayats, Municipalities and Corporations, Rural Development, Town Planning, Regional Development Authorities, KILA, Excise, Government of Kerala. Represents Taliparamba constituency in 15th Kerala Legislative Assembly. He became the member of CPI in 1970. He was one of the founding members of DIFI, the youth organization associated with CPI. Prior to that he was KSYF Kannur President and Secretary. He was one of the 5 members from Kerala in the All India Preparatory Committee of DIFI formation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.